Dear all, welcome to the playlist of Power Electronics. In this session, I will be demonstrating one problem, that is numerical example of Shockley diode equation. Okay. The question is, the forward voltage drop of a power diode is Vd equal to 1.2 volt at Id is equal to 300 ampere. Assuming that ideality factor equal to 2, find the reverse saturation current Is. First and foremost, let us write Shockley diode equation. The Shockley diode equation is given by Id is equal to, you can note down the Shockley diode equation, that is Id is equal to Is into e to the power Vd by Nvt minus 1. So this is the Shockley diode equation. Let us note down the given data. So you can read out the question. And Vd is already given. So I will be writing the given data. Gd, given data. So Vd is already given. Vd is equal to 1.2 volt. Similarly, Id is also provided. That is also can be noted down. 300 ampere. And ideality factor you can call N. N is equal to 2. Ideality factor also you can note down. What I need to calculate means Is I have to calculate. Is. Reverse saturation current I have to calculate. This I don't know. I have to calculate. And also I don't know Vt. You can able to calculate Vt. Vt is called a thermal voltage. So how to calculate Vt? So you can use the equation. Vt is equal to. So Vt you can use the formula. Vt is equal to Kt divided by Q. Kt divided by Q. You can use the formula Vt is equal to Kt by Q. Here Q is equal to, let us calculate Vt first. I will be calculating Vt first. So Vt is equal to, so K is nothing but Boltzmann constant, that is equal to 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. And T means temperature. So you are assuming that temperature is equal to 25 degrees Celsius. So you can able to convert 25 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. That means 25 degrees Celsius plus 273. It becomes Kelvin. Whole divided by, what is the value of Q? Charge of 1 electron. That is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So you can able to calculate. So to calculate the particular Vt. So I will be getting the Vt is equal to 25.7 millivolt. 25.7 millivolt Vt. So you can note down the value of Vt. So let me note down Vt is equal to 25.7 millivolt. Okay, 27.5 millivolt. That is the value of Vt. Now I can able to calculate the value of Is from here. So from this I can write Is is given by Id divided by e to the power Vd by Nvt minus 1. So you can substitute the value of Id is given by 300 ampere. Then Vd means 1.2 volt. N we already know. N is given in the question, that is N is equal to 2. Ideality factor. Vt we have already computed 27.5 millivolt. Then you can substitute, and finally you are expected to get the Is equal to 2.17. 2.17. If you want, you can add more fractions also. 746 into 10 to the power minus 8 ampere. 10 to the power minus 8 ampere. This much of reverse saturation current flows to the power diode. So in this session, we have solved a simple problem related to Shockley diode equation. You can refer my previous video to get to know more information about Shockley diode equation. Moreover, I have given the lecture videos of previous classes in the description box. you can able to go through the particular videos and make your basics strong. Finally, thank you very much for watching this video.